This is the dealer receiving video. When a mower equipped with Greenzie Autonomous Mowing comes from the factory, there is one step that dealers need to do to install an antenna that is taken off during shipping in order to ship it safely. The first step is, my colleague will do here, is take the antenna out. We ship it inside this little container where the remote control is. You'll need to remove the nut and the washer. Keep in mind there is a rubber washer that goes on top. Take that and place the antenna inside the hole on the sensor housing, and then put the washer and the nut back together. While it can be hand tightened, we recommend using a wrench to tighten it further fully. Do not apply too much pressure, just we call this hand tightening. The rubber washer will keep it pretty secure. And then the next step is to attach the cable. It should be laying right there. That is also hand tightening. And you can also use a wrench to make it fully secure. Now, as my colleague finishes that job, if you are needing to confirm that it is fully set up, you can always call our support line to validate the rest of the functionality, but that should do the job.